Discern. To perceive something. Some people sometimes have difficulty discerning the difference between the number 0 and the letter O on a computer screen. The soldier standing guard discerned enemy soldiers advancing on his camp. Jaded. Wearied, tired, or bored by excess or overuse. Since his appetite was jaded due to years of fine dining, Luke decided to eat at a diner for a change. His sad story left me jaded and depressed. Melancholy. Sad, depressed. The death in the family created a melancholy atmosphere in the house. Some religions teach that death, far from being something to be melancholy about, is a return to a higher form of existence. Quandary. State of uncertainty, dilemma. The lost hiker was in a quandary: continue walking or stop and wait for rescue. Because he loves both lamb chops and steak, Tom was in a quandary about what to have for dinner. Stoic. Indifferent to or unaffected by pleasure or pain. The leader urged the people to be stoic and endure the period of austerity. Even after learning that he won the lottery, Evan's expression remained stoic. Abstruse. Difficult to understand. Many people find higher mathematics to be an abstruse subject. A respected astronomer had a gift for making the abstruse areas of his field understandable to the layperson. Accolade. Award of merit. A Pulitzer Prize is one of the highest accolades that a writer can receive. Some writers achieve great popularity but never win accolades from literary critics. Acquiesce. Agree without protesting. Soldiers are expected to acquiesce to the orders of their superior officers. The company acquiesced to the union's demands after a 12-week strike nearly bankrupted the business. Adulation. Flattery, admiration. Rock stars often receive widespread adulation for a short period of time. After World War II, General Dwight D. Eisenhower received so much adulation for leading the Allies to victory that it helped him be elected President of the United States. Abstemious. Eating and drinking in moderation, restricted to bare necessities. After feasting on Thanksgiving Day, I became abstemious for a few days, so I lost some of the weight I had put on. Medical experts say that a fairly abstemious lifestyle is advisable for good health.